Eric here with May Wes Manufacturing. May Wes 5-finger quick tines are fantastic for short or sparse crops and specialty beans. Their wider paddle helps lift and feed crop that standard tines miss. They are very easy to install and simply snap over your existing fingers and no tools are required. We recommend installing them every third finger. On your first row, start with the second finger to make sure you clear the end cap. Then, on the second row, and so on, stagger them to create a sweeping action. 5-finger quick tines are available for John Deere, MacDon, Case IH and New Holland headers, as well as AGCO, Gleaner, and Massey Ferguson. See maywes.com for a full list of models. To order May Wes 5-finger quick tines, visit your local May Wes dealer, order online at maywes.com, or give us a call, 1-800-788-6483.